Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Blood Phantom 81 bringing you another stock market recap and update video. So I actually won't be recording my usual laptop screen share recording because I don't have my recording equipment with me, and I won't have it with me for at least another 2 weeks. I'm actually here on vacation in Southern California, which is where I grew up, for those of you that don't know. So I wanted to give a quick recap video because so much has happened in the stock market within the last maybe week. So last week was a huge bloody red week, at least 5% for all the major indices. And then today, which is Christmas Eve, we saw another at least 3% for the Dow Jones or something like that, maybe like 2.5% for the Nasdaq, and I think 2.7% for the S&P 500. So clearly a ton has happened. And if you go online, like to Facebook or Reddit or the YouTube comment section, everyone is screaming recession, and there's just so much fear in the market right now. So the question is, what am I doing? So I'm actually buying pretty aggressively, and last week on Friday and today on Christmas Eve, I've deployed at least like maybe 30 grand in cash into the stock market. So if you guys remember from my last recap, I mentioned that I was like maybe 70% in cash last week at the beginning of the week. But as of now, I am only about 15% in cash, so still a little bit saved up in case we do drop a little bit lower. But we have hit the price targets that I was looking out for, and on the S&P 500 that was around 2,400, and so we have extended a little bit below that, and I think it's possible that we extend even a little bit lower. But I do like the risk to reward setup here, and I actually want to show you guys what I'm seeing. So I can't flip my camera, but this is the S&P 500, and we're seeing some support here on the 50-month moving average. If we go to the weekly time frame, this is also the 200-week moving average. So we found support there here in the summer of 2015, 2016, and we also found support there here in 2011. So I don't think that we're going to get a very sharp reversal. I do think that if we were going to bottom, it would probably be some kind of messy kind of reversal. So that's what I'm watching out for. And once again, I want to reiterate the possibility of heading a little bit lower. I'll still be a buyer at those levels. But basically, the point I want to make is I like the risk to reward here. And also the last thing I want to say is I usually don't say this in my videos because I think it's kind of impersonal, but I just want to say that I'm not a licensed professional and this is not investment advice. I make these videos for educational and entertainment purposes only. Please understand the risk when you're investing in the stock market. I know a lot of people that are very scared right now. They're clearly losing a lot of money. So, I mean, that can happen in the stock market, and I think it's all about just buying the right companies and waiting it out. Most of the time, you are going to make a profit. It's just a matter of time. So this is kind of my advice, and this is just my investment journey. So you guys don't necessarily have to buy things just because I'm buying them. But once again, deploying most of my money back into stocks. Very excited for the future of my account, and I'll probably show my Robinhood account after the new year when I get back to filming videos. But anyway, that's it for this one. Good luck trading. Please stay safe out there, and remember, at the end of the day, it's just money. I know that money is very important, but you know, your life's more important than your money. But yeah, have a great day and have a happy holiday, and see you guys in a couple weeks.